In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you 5 tips for staying focused. Whether you have a big deadline coming up or are wrangling up the kids, you'll likely need a lot of focus. Even though focus is a natural challenge to most people, there are easy techniques that you can incorporate into your day to help train your brain. Without further ado, let's look at 5 tips for staying focused. 1. Remove distractions. First things first. Start by removing all distractions while you're working. This includes social media, your phone, or pesky coworkers that want to chat. If you don't get rid of your distractions from the beginning, it will be more of a challenge to stay focused. In fact, it may be impossible. Of the distractions, turning off your phone is the most important. Although phones are great for communication, they can so easily turn into a time waster. I recommend turning your phone on Do Not Disturb mode while you're working to stay focused. 2. Drink coffee in small doses. There's a reason why so many people like to have a cup of coffee in the morning. It helps to waken the body and mind for the day. Instead of drinking a large batch of coffee throughout the day, try drinking coffee in small doses. Studies have shown that drinking a little bit of coffee periodically throughout the day improves focus. If you drink too much coffee, however, it will lead to jitters and anxiety. Only drink coffee or some other caffeinated beverage in small doses to stay focused. 3. Set goals. Goals are a great way to stay focused on your priorities and tasks for the day. Every morning, try to create a list of the top goals for the day. More so, set goals that are specific and time-bound to help you stay on track. You may want to try the SMART goal method. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Incorporating these features into your goals will make them clearer and easier to achieve. 4. Give yourself a break. Another tip for staying focused is to give yourself a break. Whenever you first start learning about mind-focusing methods, you'll likely learn about the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique talks about how you should work based on a work and break schedule. Begin by working for 25 minutes straight. When that 25 minutes is up, take a 5-minute break. After the 5-minute break, get back to work for 25 minutes again. Repeat this 4 times. After the 4th working session, take a 20 to 30-minute break and start over again. The point of this technique is to help you stay focused when you're working, but give your brain time to relax. In other words, it breaks the work up into more manageable chunks. 5. Fuel up. Food is our fuel. If you don't have the proper fuel in your body, it's going to be difficult for you to stay focused and energized. Make sure you're eating the right food throughout the day to keep yourself focused and ready to tackle work. Complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and lean protein are the best foods for staying focused. Some of the best foods to eat throughout the day include berries, leafy vegetables, fatty fish, walnuts, and tea or coffee in moderation. Final thoughts. As you can see, improving focus is relatively easy with these 5 tips. Just be kind and patient with yourself, and you should see results in no time.